Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for delicious and fruity dessert using some seasonal fruit. I am making orange raspberry mascarpone trifle. It has mascarpone cheese and whipped cream mixture layered with some orange curd and raspberries. It's creamy, it's dreamy, it's fruity, and it's delicious coming from a person who doesn't like fruity desserts that much. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First I'll take one orange and grate it to take the zest out. Just grate until you reach to the white part. If you grate the white part, that will be a little bitter. Then I'll take the same orange and squeeze the juice out of it. We'll use this orange juice twice in this recipe. First for the curd and second for our whipped cream mixture. Then I'll transfer this orange juice into a pot and then I'll squeeze lemon juice and transfer it into the same pot. Then I'll crack few eggs in this pot and add some white granulated sugar. Start whisking until it's fully combined. Then we'll head over to our stove and we'll start cooking this mixture on medium to high flame until it will turn into a soft pudding. Just keep on whisking. Then switch off the flame and now we will add the zest which we just took out from the orange, and now I have a softened butter which I cut into small cubes. Keep on mixing until butter is completely melted and mixed through in this orange curd. Then we'll put this curd on the side and then we'll prepare our whipped cream mixture. For that I am taking large mixing bowl, adding some heavy whipping cream in there. With the help of electric beater, I'll beat until it turns into stiff peaks. Now I'll put this whipped cream mixture on the side and take a small bowl and add some mascarpone cheese. Now if you don't have it or you don't want to use it, you can use cream cheese as well, but mascarpone cheese will make a lot difference. Adding orange juice with some confectioner sugar or icing sugar, you can mix it with the spatula, or since I already had the beater outside, mixing it until it's just combined. Now I'll bring the whipping cream here and transfer this mascarpone mixture in there, and with the help of spatula just fold it with the very light hand. You can use the bigger bowl and don't just repeat the mistake which I did. Now I'm taking a trifle bowl and I have some washed raspberries and I cut the orange slices into half moons, and we'll need some ladyfingers here as well to start layering. First I'll take this whipped cream mixture and take quarter of the mixture and arrange it at the bottom of our trifle bowl. Now I'll take the oranges which I cut into the half moon and I'm arranging like this at the edge of the trifle bowl. Now this is completely optional. I did it to decorate my trifle. So if you want, you can skip this step, or if you want to do it, just stick the orange slices to the wall of the bowl and just dip it very slightly into the whipping cream. Now I will arrange the lady fingers on top of this whipped cream into single layer. Now if the lady finger doesn't fit in, you can just break them into pieces to fit in into a single layer. Now if you don't have lady fingers or you don't want to use it, so I will prefer to use angel food cake rather than any buttery pound cake. Now I'm adding 1/3 of the orange curd on top of the lady fingers. Just spread it evenly with the help of a spoon. Now I'll add around half a cup of raspberries, and then we will layer it again with the quarter of the mixture of whipped cream. For easy handling and to make it look pretty and aesthetic from outside, I'm using a piping bag here, and then just spread it into even layer with the help of spatula. Now we'll just repeat the layers. So on top of this I'll add lady fingers with some curd, and then we'll top it off with some raspberries and whipping cream again, and after that we will repeat the layers one more time. So on top of it I'll add lady fingers with curd, and then goes the raspberries. Now this is the last layer, and since my trifle bowl was overly filled, so I put the whipped cream just right in the middle. Just smooth it again, and then you can decorate however you want to do it. I just put some raspberries and orange slices on it, and then put it in the fridge and let it chill for at least 8 to 10 hours, or overnight is preferred. And then you can enjoy the heavenly bite of sour orange curd with cloudy, it's sweet whipping cream mascarpone mixture with some raspberries. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. And this is my last video of Air 2020. I will see you guys inshallah with lot more new recipes in Air 2021. Hope next year bring lot of joy and happiness in your life. Happy New Year, and once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.